Shadowing native English speakers, repeating after them, and engage a conversation is an amazing way to improve your speaking, to boost your confidence at speaking English. Hi, this is Jibril from Mali, West Africa. For the record, everything or almost everything I share in my videos, those things I learn, things I definitely practice, and things I had some experience. We read for fun, we read out loud, we read book, article, magazine, etc. can help you to improve your vocabulary, to improve your reading skills, etc. But the good news is we don't speak like textbook. So in order to improve your speaking, in order to speak English fluently and confidently like English native English speaker, you have to shadow native English speaker to improve your vocabulary, to learn grammar without focusing on grammar, and to improve your speaking skills. You can start by watching some videos, listen to some audios, and repeat after them. After engage a conversation with friends, etc., have conversation with people, practice what you learn. You're gonna see your English is gonna improve faster than you thought. Shadow native English speaker and engage conversation is the effective way to improve your English. Start and do it 1 month at the end of every week. Check your progress and you will see how faster your English gonna improve than read something like that and you don't have a conversation with other people. Back in June 2021, I start shadowing native English speaker, have conversation with other people, etc. And my English improved. Before that, from June 2020, I was like having some course, grammar rules, etc., reading some books, etc. But it was difficult for me to speak English well, to express myself as I want. But by shadowing native English speaker, repeating after them, I first improve my pronunciation and my English speaking. My speaking improve, and also I have conversation with other people from different countries, different nationality around the world by using some application on website. If you repeat after and shadow native English speaker by watching some real English conversation between native English speaker in marketplace, hospital, different situation area, and you practice your English with other people, your English is gonna improve for sure. Okay, now start shadowing native English speaker and engage a conversation with other people, and you will see how your English is gonna move or improve faster. Okay.